Alright, so let's get started. Honestly, my hair felt so soft this day. It was easy for me to part. I didn't see any dandruff. Like, if y'all want to see that protein treatment, watch till the end. Okay, let's go.
When we all get rich, that's when we gon' ball out. Yeah, we going well. We just tryna get rich, you know, easy well.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautybysheek, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching, those who subscribe, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Yeah, so as you can see, I did go ahead and grease my scalp with that Indian hemp, and now I am putting in some edge control. This is going to lay down my hair right by the part so that you can get those nice cute buns like I did. Thank you. So you're going to go ahead and make sure you are putting the edge control in various places you see along my hairline, and then you just brush that in. So I'm brushing that in. Y'all are gonna see me brush my hair because you have to really know how to really slick it down. I'm brushing and I'm slicking, I'm brushing and I'm slicking. So I'm just trying to feel around, making sure there's no clumps of edge control, and just brushing it down. And you want one of the medium hard brushes, okay? So now I'm just throwing in some gel, and then I'm just going ahead and put it in the bun. And that's it. That would be it. Done. Wrap it up. Let's go.
Reminiscing of the time when I found myself guessing.
Oh, 1 second. Here we go. So we are using the Organics Shake and Go hair. I really love this hair, to be honest. It is very easy for me to use. I love it because it matches my curl pattern. I have more of a wave texture. So any of you girls that don't really have curly curls, because I want the curly curls, but I have the waves, which is fine. I love my hair, and I just use that and I wrap it around my buns. I'm securing them with bobby pins, and then I'm gonna go ahead and split it. And I do this method to make sure the buns are nice and full when I wrap it around. So instead of just wrapping around, having like one of them oval, loose, messy buns, this is more neat for me. So yes, so we're gonna go ahead and secure them with the bobby pins, and let's go. Okay, so now for the decorating, we are going to just go ahead and use some bobby pins to secure the flowers. I like to just stick them right in between the vines, and then that's, don't use your teeth, please don't use your teeth. But yeah, you just want to split it apart, put the flower in between, stick them in very evenly around the buns. This was not as easy as it looks because you don't want the buns coming all out and wild looking, and you also want to make sure that they're even in the back area too.
The only thing I need when I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight.
Alright, now so we are going to do the baby hairs, and I'm just going to swoop this right around, and that's just what we're going to work with. I'm not really a baby hair expert, but you know, as long as it looks cute, we're going with it. Okay, so we're done with the hair. It looks so cute. I'm just going to lay my edges down until it's time to go. And then I'm going to do my makeup. And even with this look, it's going to be really simple because I have so much pink on. I haven't decided what, kind of decided, but not really. I haven't decided what type of outfit I'm wearing. But I'm going to hurry up and finish this, and then we're going to get out the door. Okay, so I'm starting with my dip brow. I've actually haven't been using a pencil in a very long time. So I'm using my dip brow pomade, and I'm going along my hairline. I'm filling in my eyebrows, and yes, I know I should be looking up, but hey, go ahead and fill that eyebrow in.
You lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender.
Alright, so here we go. So I'm going ahead and I am outlining my eyebrows. I really like to use a flathead brush. This makes the eyebrow just more sharp and more precise. So I take my time to go all around the brow, making sure the shape is nice and good. And I do look up occasionally, and I will definitely say once I'm blending it out, I can already tell, okay, this is what we're working with. I don't like to blend out before I even notice it looks good. And just for a tip, I am going to say use the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is the Amande color, but it lays down the brows and shapes them very nicely. So go ahead. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my Born to Glow Concealer. This is by NYX. You can look in the description box for exactly all the products that I use today in this video. But I love to put this on my eyelids. It gives my eyes more of a brighter look, and it definitely hides the tiredness behind them. But yes, I love this concealer, and this is in number 16 or 17.
We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm going ahead and I'm adding the pink eyeshadow. And of course, this is the Kylie Cosmetics Valentine's Day palette. This is a very just old palette. It's about 2 years ago, so I wouldn't say too old. But go ahead and just add a pink eyeshadow onto the lid at this moment. Okay, so for looks like these with the HydraLiners, I really like to just make sure I'm putting eyeshadow on the eyelid. So I'm staying right on the eyeball area and just making sure there are no harsh lines when it is time to line the eyes. Alright, now so grab your little container, some water. I'm actually using setting spray, and get busy with the HydraLiners. These are the SUVA SUVA Beauty HydraLiners, and I really just scrape these little babies up, mix them up into a cap, and I create my color. So you got pink, and you want to make sure these are nice and moisturized. They're not drying when you mix it up. You want to have a nice liquid base when it is time to line your eyes. And as you can see, it just goes on so nicely. So this is one of my favorite HydraLiners yet.
Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do.
Okay, this is the look. I am about to head out because I'm already running late, so I will see you all at the event. Okay, bye. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching, those who have subscribed, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Yes, so I got my Glow by Day bonnet on. Y'all go look in my description box and get you a Glow by Day bonnet. I've had this for a very long time. I got some new ones coming in, so I'm really excited about that. But in today's video, as you can see, we are doing a self-care, self-love, just, you know, treating ourselves to goodness today, okay? So we're gonna start off with this self-love. We're gonna start off with a protein treatment. I am using the APG OG protein treatment. This is a two-step protein treatment. First, you start off with the two-step protein, step 1, and then you start off with step 2, the balance and moisturizer. Before I even do that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. I have about 2 of these packets left, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and use these. This is the Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipe Rescued conditioner and shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this first, and then we're gonna go in with the protein pack. My hair has been shredding like crazy, and that's probably because I haven't had a protein treatment in a very long time, and I'm trying to retain length. I'm not trying to get rid of it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, jump in the shower, wash my hair, and then I'll be back to put the treatment in. All right now. Okay, so I just got out the shower from washing my hair. Okay, now where is part 1? So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the protein treatment, step 1. This requires you to just put it in your hair, and then I'm gonna sit underneath the dryer until it gets completely hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair, and then I'm gonna go watch some Grey's Anatomy. And if y'all wondering what season I'm on season 12, baby, yes. You know, as of right now, if you haven't watched Grey's Anatomy, I'm just letting you know, Derek guys and Meredith is having a hard time. So this come out like a little liquid, so I would just be careful putting it in your hair. So I want to make sure I'm working this all through my hair, because honey, this hair is dry. And I'm finger detangling because I don't want to lose no more hair. And it stings. Like, I guess I have open cuts, so it does sting a little bit. Ooh. Ooh.
Easy way out, easy way out. Can't call yourself a boss, so you put your dogs on. All I see is dollar signs all up on my call. All I put my nigga on the 3-way like nigga.